Hello, this is Kendrick. I am opening the Skull Panda.
Which Skull Panda?
Pop Mart Skull. The one in the little snowball
Right there.
thingy, whatever. And so these are the options.
Read them.
I want this one, or I want this one.
Stop moving so fast.
This one will be a short, you know, a YouTube short. You just pull this tab. Wait, what? There's a little tab here. You pull this. Not this one. You see it?
Oh yeah, he has it. But he still has to pull. No, baby, just pull here.
One eternity later.
Oh my god.
I broke it.
You pull here.
Worst unboxing ever. Okay.
Don't look at the card.
Why is there two?
No, that's the whole box. Don't look at the card.
Alright. Damn it.
It's the pink one.
I got the ugly pink one. Oh, damn it. Now I need to buy another one.
You should have bought 3.
Wait, this is the... What the fuck is this one?
This one is the pan flute.
Oh god. Okay.
There.
Actually, this is kind of
It's
cool,
actually
I guess.
really beautiful. Look at it.
Wait, why is she sleeping though?
Some of them look I like that.
This is, I have a bag right here. I think the garbage. Oh, how are you supposed to like... Oh,
And then
oh I see.
Not bad, Kendrick. This is gonna be on your desk.
Yeah.
Where else can you put it?
He says, it's gonna be like, what the fuck?
It's gonna go into recycling.
Okay.
You happy?
No. It's okay though. I'll buy another one when I see it.
okay, next.
All right, we got Monsters One Piece collection here. That could be any of these guys. Most of the crew, Law, obviously Luffy, Zabo. Who else we got? Yeah, basically that. Let's see what we get.
Actually, the girl put the sticker in the right place.
Is she?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even open. I'm not used to opening these either.
One eternity later.
Not that easy, huh?
Not at all.
Okay, don't look at the card.
Wait, can I see the card?
Whoa!
Ooh.
I got the Frankie.
Is that the one you want?
Oh, I'd be happy with that one. And we got one more.
Do it. Do
Got
it.
all the
Maybe
ship.
secrets on this? No, right?
I didn't get the secret on this one, but we might get the secret ship. So a lot of the popular One Piece ships. Not gonna name them all because I barely don't know the names, but hoping for a Sunny.
In the meantime, look at the detail.
We got the Frankie monster.
Oh, with the styrofoam on it still.
Do you have that one? Do you have that one too, Justin?
No. Ooh.
Did you get it?
Did you
got
get
the
the
Sunny.
boat?
We got the Sunny.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Wait, that's the one you wanted.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
that's the
what
one you
everyone
wanted.
wants.
Oh shit. On your first try.
Damn.
Dude, that's hella good.
High five, dude. High five.
Yeah.
Good shit.
Wait, can I have it?
No. You have to fight me for it, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, we got the Sunny.
Dude,
That is so
That's
cool.
actually sick.
That's so cool.
We got some good pulls today.
I got the pink fish I didn't want. I want anything but the pink fish, and I got the pink fish.
Okay, like, but not all of the secrets. Sorry.
Honestly, getting the Sunny on the first try is like makes this whole day worth it.
Yeah.
This whole endeavor worth
Okay.
it.
Oh. Okay. Space Molly, the emoji series. Let's see. So far, I got the Happy Puppy. Of course, I'd want a secret. Or I kind of want the bad word one. Okay.
It's a little shaky though, because I'm hungry. It wasn't. It didn't focus.
1, 2, 3. Don't look at the card. That's a yellow one I already know. I saw the gun. They really like this. Nice. 1, 2, 3. It's the lethargic one. It's the tired one. Yeah, worn out.
This kind of looks like him.
Does not look like him. That's so cool.